Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. I'm super excited today to finally get an opportunity to unbox the RTX 3080 Ti, or Ti as Nvidia calls them. You might be thinking, where's the RTX box and things like that? So this is a harvest slash unboxing, okay? You're looking at the PC and going, what's going on? So the RTX 3080 Ti is in there, and I bought this system specifically to take the RTX 3080 Ti. This is the first time I'll be doing it, so it's kind of an exploration and looking at it. And it's an Alienware version, so you guys can see what I think about it. You'll have my impressions as well. All right, without further ado, let's get this started. Before I do, I'd like to let you guys know this channel completely survives on your subscriptions. So if you appreciate that, please do subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. Okay, so we're going to begin this process by first of all opening the nut over here, and after we've done so, we'll be opening the panel. And we open the panel by pulling on this tab. Bang. All right, let's go in for a bit of a closer look. All right, now I'll just move the camera on the back. You've got a couple of tabs here, which you do this to, and that basically releases the PSU, the power unit, which is up here. So all you do is basically pull on this, and that gives you access to the GPU. Now you might notice that I have no earthing bands. So what I do is normally I touch the nice metal part of the PSU. That helps a lot. First of all, let's pull out the power pins. Get this unplugged. This is a big boy even for Dell. Okay, now I believe this goes without any screws, so let's figure this out. So I've moved it around a little bit. So first things first, let's get this out of the way. This comes out nice and gently. Okay, so I think what you need to do is just push on this. I really don't want to break it. Okay, so that's a great sign, and looks like the GPU is moving. Okay, now kind of stuck over here. It's out, but it's getting stuck over this thing. This isn't letting it come out. Okay, so all I had to do is do that and just gently bring this bad boy out. Okay, so that's the first look at the Alienware RTX 3080 Ti. Okay, all right, I'm just gonna pause this video and show you guys a bit of a top-down look. Not very impressive, okay, very plasticky. The fans aren't that impressive. They don't have that sway. They're very flowy, okay. They have the kind of flowish fans. They don't have the pressure ones, okay. The pressure ones have closer blades and bigger blades, okay, whereas this looks a bit flowy, or maybe a cross of the two. Okay, so that's the heatsink. It's quite impressive, to be honest, what they've done with the heatsink. It's not too bad looking at all, except for the fan part. I'm not too happy with the fan, but I will be overclocking this thing and seeing how it goes with the fan. Okay, I'll also undervolt it as well and see how it goes. Now I'll obviously take this part out, so that's just sitting there. Okay, and check it out. All right, that's basically it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know what you'd like me to pair this up against and things like that. I'm putting this in my custom PCs to see how it goes against my XFX black card, the RX 6900 XT. Let me know what you guys think and what else I should do. Comment below and all that stuff. Please do share this video around as well. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care. Bye-bye.